Wash off debris.
Avoid running the handpiece directly underwater. Wipe with a piece of gauze dampened in ethanol for disinfection. Attach the connector to the spray cap. Attach the cap to the can. Spray Morita multi-spray into the chuck end for 2 seconds. Reposition the lever on the spray nozzle and insert it into the connector end. Spray with Morita multi-spray for 2 seconds. Purge the handpiece for at least 15 seconds by pulsing air to remove excess oil. Insert Morita multi-spray. The Lubrina 2 automatically lubricates and removes excess oil for turbines and contra angles. Insert the chuck tester straight in until it lightly touches the bottom of the chuck. Hold down the push button, push the tester all the way in, and release the button. Pull the tester slowly until the groove is visible. Stop pulling as soon as you see the groove, and slowly return the tester to its original position. Clean the handpiece with spray and perform the test again. If the chuck grip is not restored after cleaning, replace the cartridge. Wipe off surface oil with gauze. Open the autoclave and remove the tray. Put the handpiece in a sterilization pouch and seal the pouch. Place the handpiece on the tray and insert the tray into the autoclave for sterilization.